Hello there, hope you're having a great festive season out there wherever you are. So I finally found some time to finish this artwork. So if you check out the description quickly, you will find the links of the sketches that I've done previously, and I'm just here to give the final touch with the paints. I'm also adding the name of the colors that I've used in this picture in the description. So there's no hard and fast rules and regulation what color works, what color doesn't. It's just about your aesthetics and choice. So yeah, continue to watch if you enjoy watching floral paintings. I mean, you won't be disappointed, I promise. As I started coloring, I started making some adjustments to the existing sketch. So yes, hope it turns out the way I imagine it to be. I mean, I always enjoy painting florals, so I'm also excited to see how it turns out. As I'm almost finishing the artwork, I am cleaning the sketch marks with a wet brush, and yes, it should look neat and just like the way I imagined.